Hey guys, on this video we're gonna be doing just a maintenance to replace the PCV valve on this Honda Civic 1.7 engine 2005. You can see right here is under the intake manifold is the vacuum hose right here, so there's kind of hard to if you want to get it this way, so we're gonna be doing it from the bottom. We're gonna raise the front and we're gonna do it from there. All right, these are the tools you need. 17mm deep socket, or you can use a wrench, and there's my new PCV valve, and you just need a plier to take the clip off. All right, that's the PCV valve right there, and we just need to remove that. This one right here. Okay, focus. That one right there. That's the PCV valve. We just need to remove the clip and put the new one. Alright, I already loosened it. It's just kinda hard to video at the same time by using one hand, so it's not too tight. You just need, I guess. Alright, that's the PCV valve right there. I already did kind of loosen it because it's kind of hard to video and you know, just use one hand. But yeah, so it's not too tight, and we're just gonna, so that's the old one, and we're gonna put the new one. All right, I already put the new one in, and I just need to put the hose back, and that's it. That's how you do the PCV valve on 2005 Honda Civic 1.7 engine. Thank you for watching, and please comment, share, and subscribe.